Morning children, today our class is 7th class English grammar. 7th class English grammar. So what is this? Already I have to explain degree of comparison. Degree of comparison. So last yesterday I have to explain to you in the degree of comparison, 3 degrees of comparisons are there. So positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So I have to say tall, positive degree, taller, comparative degree, tallest, superlative degree. Same as rich, richer, richest, small, smaller, smallest. Like the 3 degrees we have to compare. So now in the positive degree, so this is a big room. This is a big room. She is a beautiful. She is beautiful. This is a big room. She is beautiful and he is intelligent. He is intelligent. In the comparative degree, we have to compare with the positive. The positive degree would compare with the compare degree. Positive degree compare. So compare with that. So the first one, she is more beautiful than. She is more. So this is a big room. So this is a big room. Big and biggest and
bigger.
Bigger. Big, bigger and biggest. So this is a in the superlative, in the positive degree. This is a big room. In the positive degree, this is a big room. This is a big room. So in the comparative, this room is bigger than that one. This room or this. So this room is bigger than that one. This is bigger than that one. This room is bigger than that one. But this is bigger. So big chalk piece. Same as. So this chalk piece is bigger than that one. To compare that. This is compare that. So second one is. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. She is more beautiful than. She is more beautiful than. More beautiful than that girl. So as I meant, this is more beautiful than other girls. More beautiful than other girls. She is more beautiful than other girls. So here she is beautiful. Okay. Simply positive degree. But in the compared degree, she is more beautiful than other girls. So third one, he is intelligent. He is more intelligent boy than others. He is more, we have to use more intelligent boy than other boys.
Then
other boys. So this is the compared degree. So he is more intelligent boy than other boys. He is more intelligent boy than other boys. Intelligent boys than other boys. Now superlative degree. So superlative highlight. The word is highlighted here. So bigger and beautiful and intelligent. So we have to compare with the. So most we have to the house. In the superlative degree. In the superlative degree. First one. So, this room is bigger than that one. So, this is the biggest room in the house. First one. This is. So, this is the biggest. This is the biggest room in the house. In the total house. In the house. This is the biggest room in the house. Second one. So what is the second one? In the comparatively, she is more beautiful than other girls. She is more beautiful than other girls. But she is most beautiful girl in the class. She is most. Here most, not more here. Most beautiful. She is most beautiful girl. She is most beautiful girl in the class. In the class. Total class, she is one of the beautiful. So, third one. Third one here in the comparative degree. He is more intelligent boy than other boys. He is the most intelligent boy in the class. He is most intelligent. He is the most intelligent boy. Most intelligent boy in the class. So this is the superlative degree. So 3 we have to compare. Now these positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree we have to compare. In the positive degree, simply we have to this is a big room. She is beautiful. He is intelligent. Simply we have to talk. But when in the comparative degree, to compare with superlative, positive degree, how? This room is bigger than that one. This room is bigger than that one. So she is more beautiful than other girls. Here, she is beautiful. She is more beautiful than other girls. So third one, he is more intelligent boy than other class. Here we have this room is bigger than that one. Beautiful than other girls. Intelligent boy than other boys. So compare. In the superlative degree, so the beautiful is highlighted. Intelligent and beautiful and room is highlighted. How? In the superlative degree, this is the biggest room in the house. One of the biggest. Point there. One of the biggest. This is the biggest room in the house. SMS is the most beautiful girl in the class. She is the most beautiful girl in the class. SMS, he is the most intelligent boy in the class. He is the most intelligent boy in the class. Okay children, note in your grammar book nicely and prepare well.